Hey guys, we are here for you the fairing for the 790 Adventure. We put together the best knowledge we have, the best experiences we have. We talked to the Dakar guys and we put together such a nice fairing for the 790. The core of this fairing is a full carbon tower to reduce the overall weight. The carbon tower is only 400 something grams and it helps to reduce the overall weight of the fairing kit by almost 1 kg. Next, you have here probably the strongest Road Eagle aftermarket LED headlights. They are 10 watts stronger than the originals. You have here also a lot of space for navigation. The dashboard is more or less in the same position as you are used to, but on top of it there is space for even 8 inches tablet, your headphone, Garmin, even roadbook if you need. Yeah? And all the package is wrapped in nice, ready design. We keep the original reinforcement bar and we are adding also the reinforcement for the attachments, and we have the only reinforcement on the market with a full readable VIN number. So if you like it, please order on our e-shop.